The Nukatap FC. Oh wait, no, I said it wrong. The Nukatap FC stands for flow control. This kit can be bought separately. Here's the fully assembled kit right here. Or the exact same kit comes as part of the Pro Tab kit. It also can be used to turn a fridge tab kit into a Pro Tab kit. The main purpose of this is once it's fully assembled, it can just snap right onto any of our kegs and kits with the mega cap, or it can also work with a standard corny keg. Of course, this isn't a standard corny keg. This is a cute little mini one that fits nicely on my desk. So let's open up a fresh kit. It's going to look like this. You're going to have your disconnect. You have your little rubber nubby, your spring, handle, and the tap itself. Now when you open this up and slide it out, this little black piece is going to fall out just like that. So to assemble it to this, just open up the bags. You can optionally put in the spring if you like, and then the flow resistor goes on top of that. Then you place that on there, line it up straight, and then just spin the collar on. It's a little trickier when you get the spring inside there. And then you can just hand tighten it. It's good and straight there now. And then you just spin the handle on. And that is about it. Pretty simple. To use the little rubber nubby thing here, you just give it a little pinch and it'll kind of suck its way onto the tap. The point of this is just to keep drips away or keep the fruit flies out.
When it comes to cleaning your kegs or kits, a good rinse with hot water is often enough, as long as you do it right when the keg is empty. If you want a deeper clean, we have these handy tablets from Craftmeister that do an amazing job. Look how well it works on this stained coffee mug. Just fill your keg with hot water and pop in a tablet. Let it sit for at least 10 minutes and you can flush your taps to your heart's content. After that, just rinse everything thoroughly with hot water and set it out to dry. All our kits are easy to disassemble for a more thorough rinsing and can be reassembled just as quick. If you are a hardcore beer nerd and really want to get in there, you can completely disassemble your taps and soak them in PBW. But then again, if you're a hardcore beer nerd, you already know that. If you plan on storing the beer for more than a few days, you'll want to use a sanitizer to get the oxygen off the walls of the keg. I always have a spray bottle on hand to do this. Just fill up with hot water and mix in about 1 milliliter of Star Sand for your average spray bottle.
But let's take it right apart. Again, passing water or cleaner through this should be plenty, but if you really want to get in there, you can open this up with a flathead screwdriver. Handle spins right off. This nut spins off. The spout can also be changed. You can use different types of spouts. We have nitro spouts and disconnect spouts. Then you just unscrew this. You'll notice it's facing forward before I take it apart. And then that just slides right out of there. You can see inside there the red washer, the two reds sandwich the ball. The black one, rubber, is how it seals up against this nut. And then you need some kind of tool just to get in there, and you'll see the little hole in there. You can just kind of push it out through. So there's the collar there, and then the Nukatap shuttle comes out. You can just unscrew that with a flathead screwdriver. Pulls out a little spring, and there's the actual piece that seals it. And that should be enough for most people. Personally, I just rinse it, the sanitizer the way it is, all put together, and that's plenty. But if you really want to take it all apart, and then any of these pieces, the seal kit is sold separately in a little bundle like that. You can buy just the shuttle, the Nuka shuttle, and then there's the collar and the flow resistor there. And those are separate on the website. So let's put it all back together, shall we? Rubber down, spring, rubber in there, line it up with the spring, just like that. Shuttle goes in, that side up, collar goes on with the hole facing the hole there. You can see inside there when you put it in. And then you can line that up there. Remember, it's facing forward. You can line up the hole right there, easy to do. And this will line up with the little slot. Put your nut on top. Put your spout back on. The handle collar. You don't want to go all the way down. Leave it loose a little bit there so you can tighten up against your handle. You can use any handle with this. We just use these little nubby ones because they're good for portable. And then you can put the spring in if you want, or you can just use it like this. Pull back the collar, line it up straight, spin it on. Hand tightens enough, and there you go. Fully assembled, ready to pour.